Hi, my name's Ciara from Ciara's Home Yoga, and this is 10 minutes of morning yoga with an affirmation. Research has been done into the benefits of using an affirmation while we exercise, so let's get started today. We'll start seated on our mat with the legs crossed, and as always you can sit up on a cushion or a block if that's more comfortable for you. Shoulders back and down. We'll inhale, look up, arms up. Exhale, we'll twist to the left, looking over our left shoulder. And again, inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, we'll twist to the right, looking over our right shoulder. And we'll repeat this a few times, moving with your breath, and move at your own pace here. And we'll breathe like this throughout the rest of our practice today, and maybe even throughout the rest of our day today. And release back to center. We'll do some shoulder circles now, rolling our shoulders forwards. Checking in with our belly. Feel it rise and fall with every breath. Change direction, continuing to check in with our belly. And close your eyes if that feels good. Change direction again. And change direction one last time. And release. We'll make our way to tabletop now with our hands under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. Inhale, we'll drop our belly, look up. Exhale, we'll round in our spine. And again, inhale, drop our belly, look up, chest open. Exhale, chin to chest and squeezing our navel to our spine. And again, we'll repeat this 2 more times. And release back to center. We'll turn our hands in now so that our fingertips point towards our knees, and we'll do 2 more cat-cows here. Moving with our breath. And we exhale, we're squeezing our navel up to our spine, rounding in our back. And release. Hands facing forwards again. We'll tuck our toes and we'll raise our hips up to come into our down dog. As it's our first down dog of our day, we'll have a generous bend in our knees here, and we're drawing our chest to our thighs and our tailbone to the ceiling. Walk your feet out now if that feels good to you, or you can shift your weight over to your right hand, your right foot, left hand, left foot, by moving your hips from side to side really slowly and mindfully. We'll come to stillness. We'll bring our left foot to the center of our mat. Inhale, we'll raise our right foot to the ceiling. Exhale, bend our leg, heel to our bum. Inhale, straighten our leg again. Exhale, we'll step forward with our right foot between our hands. Back leg is nice and strong. We're pushing through our heel here. We're drawing our skull back and lowering our hips to our mat as much as feels good. Breathing deeply. Shoulders are down away from our ears. Left hand flat on our mat. Inhale, we'll raise our right hand to the ceiling. Exhale, right hand to our right inner foot. Inhale, left hand to the ceiling. Exhale, hands back at either side of our foot. And we'll pop up to point our back foot out at 45 degrees and come into Warrior One. In our Warrior One, our hips are square to the front of the mat and our pelvis is tucked. Inhale, we'll open to the right side of our mat. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, we'll open to Warrior Two. Exhale, we check our alignment. Knee is over ankle. It has a tendency to come inwards. We're going to keep it over our ankle. Our pelvis is tucked, shoulders back and down, and shoulders over our hips. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee. And again, inhale, energy and vitality. Exhale, I am enough. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, we'll drop our hands to our mat and step back to down dog one more time. We'll walk our hands to our feet here. And as always, you can have a slight or a generous bend in your knees, whatever works for you. In our ragdoll, we're drawing our tailbone to our spine to protect our lower back. We clasp our hands behind our back now, and while our shoulders are away from our ears, and we'll move our hands away from our body. Breathing deeply here, we take a cleansing breath. So we inhale deeply, feeling our belly fill up with air, and a long, slow exhale to release. And again. And release. We lower our hands to our mat and we'll walk our hands out to come back into our down dog again. Right foot to the center of our mat. Inhale, we'll raise our left foot to the ceiling. Exhale, bend our leg. Heel to our bum. Inhale, straighten our leg again. Exhale, knee to our chest, and we'll step forward to bring our left foot between our hands. Lowering our hips as much as feels good. Back leg is nice and strong. We're pushing through our heels. Shoulders back and down, drawing our skull back. Right palm to our mat. Inhale, we'll raise our left hand to the ceiling. Exhale, left hand to the inside of our left foot. Inhale, we'll raise our right hand to the ceiling. Exhale, we lower our right hand back down. Hands back at either side of our leg. Popping up on our back foot so it's pointing out at 45 degrees, and we come up into Warrior One. Hips are square to the front of our mat. Pelvis tucked, shoulders back and down, arms up. Inhale, we'll open to the left side of our mat. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, we open to Warrior Two. Exhale, checking our alignment. Our knee is above our heel, pelvis tucked, shoulders over our hips, arms extended, and arms in line with each other, so they're not at an angle. We try to keep them level. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, elbow to knee, coming forward, reaching forward. And again, inhale, energy and vitality. Exhale, I am enough. Inhale back to center. Exhale. We'll lower our hands to our mat and we'll step back to down dog one last time. We'll take another cleansing breath here. Inhale deeply, checking in with our belly. And a long, slow exhale to release out our mouth. We'll lower our knees to our mat, cross our feet behind us, and we'll come to sit on our mat. At the end of our mat, we bring our hands behind our knees, shoulders back and down, and we'll rock and roll. When we're doing this, we're drawing our navel in to our spine, and a really strong core. And release. We make our way to lying on our mat now, holding onto our knees and rolling down. Feet behind our bum. Close enough so when we raise our head and our shoulders up, we can skim the backs of our heels with our fingertips and lie down. Inhale, we come up to our bridge. Exhale, lower back down, one vertebrae at a time. And again, inhale up. Exhale, I am enough. On our next inhale, when we raise up in our bridge, we'll raise our right leg to the ceiling and we pulse here for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower our foot back to our mat and lower our spine back down. Slowly, slowly. And again, other side. Coming up into our bridge. Raising our left foot to the ceiling. Pulsing for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot back down and lower back down. We come to Supta Baddha Konasana now, bringing the soles of our feet together, letting our knees drop open. And we'll take a moment to thank ourselves for looking after ourselves by doing a 10-minute yoga practice today. Thank you for practicing with me today. And I hope you join me again. Please subscribe to Ciara's Home Yoga for more yoga videos like this. I hope to do a lot of more of these quick yoga practices with affirmations. And I also have a gentle yoga series. Stay in this position for as long as you like.